Welcome to day 186 of our BitClout journey. I'm Ed Krasenstein here with my twin brother, Brian. How's it going, Brian? Brian, say hi. All right, it's not Brian. This is my little son right here. How's it going, buddy? Doing good? Okay, so today Brian is flying back from Wisconsin. So it's just me and my little pal here. And today, there wasn't really too much news over the weekend, typical weekend on DeSo. Did I say BitClout during the beginning of the video? I'm so flustered this morning. Why did I do that? Huh? Why did I do that? It's your fault. No, so it's our DeSo journey, day 186, our DeSo journey. Anyhow, today we want to talk about building up your BitClout account and retaining some of your followers and engaging with new users. So, I think the best way to engage with new users on BitClout is to A, give diamonds out liberally, and B, you like that? And B, just communicate with them. If you see them making posts, reply to their posts, help them out. If they ask questions, answer the questions. If they just make a simple post that says it's time to clout, like it's a default message when people sign up, you can even reply to that and just welcome them. Say, welcome to the BitClout community or the DeSo community. And it just gets people noticing you and giving diamonds, replying to comments. What else? I mean, anything that appears in somebody's notifications are going to get you noticed. And so, like I said, giving diamonds, even likes, they're going to notice you that way, and it's going to get you followers. Small coin buys. You don't have to buy $100 of somebody's coin. You can buy 50 cents of somebody's coin, and they're going to get a notification and see that you purchased their coin, and they might follow you or they might buy your coin. So I think those are all great ideas on how to get engagement on the platform. And then you want to retain that engagement. I think to retain that engagement, you want to be consistent. That's one of Brian and my keys is consistency. Every day we make these videos. Every day we make at least 7 to 10 posts. We like to space post out at least approximately an hour between posts, just so that you don't kind of drown out your old posts with new ones for your followers. And when it comes to retention, I think, you want to create good content, unique content. You want to post about DeSo. Right now, that's what's really getting traction on the platform, just because, it's a niche that everybody on the platform is familiar with. Everybody, what are you saying? Are you even speaking English? So it's, it's a niche that everybody's familiar with. As time goes on, as the platform gets bigger, we're going to see more and more niches form, and you're going to gain traction by posting about other things. Right now, cryptocurrency is big, DeSo is big. We'll see that evolve over time. And you want to engage with your new followers. Just because they started following you or just because they bought your coin doesn't mean they can't unfollow you or sell your coin. So continue to engage with them. Read what they're posting, reply to them. When people reply to you, keep that thread going. Have a discussion. Don't just let it be an open-ended conversation where they reply to you and then you just stop. So I think that's all important. Ask questions. Asking questions is a great way to engage your followers, because they're going to reply to you and give you answers, and it's going to create a discussion under your post. And reclout posts that we like, but I wouldn't suggest reclouting more posts per day than you actually clout. You want to I'd say post more than you reclout, but feel free to reclout. I think it's a good way to kind of show respect to people that you're reclouting. And also it helps you gain followers, because again, if you reclout somebody's post, it's going to show in their notifications. So what do you have to say? Come on. Can you speak English? Are you just a baby? Or can you say hi to everyone? Say hi, everyone. Do you know what DeSo is? Huh? Do you know what DeSo is? You don't, right? Do you know what a computer is? What's a computer? Can you show me a computer? Right there. Can you type on a computer? Yeah. You're a really good typer, right? Yeah. Can you sing a song? Can you sing? What's your favorite song? How about Hey Jude? Can you sing it? You're not gonna sing? No? You're on TV right now. You don't wanna sing?
No.
What do you wanna do? Can you just say hello to say hi everyone on DeSo? Say that and we'll be done. You don't wanna do that? DeSo. Yeah, say hello everyone on DeSo. Can you do that?
Hi, everyone.
All right. And I guess we can end day 186 of our DeSo journey. Brian will be back tomorrow. I don't know if I want Brian to come back to you. Do you want to do these videos every day? All right, that will be the end of our day 186.